Dumitrescu, Munteanu, and Horn doesn't make the tackle, two waiting in the middle, and men coming up from behind. This is Sabo, good save, and Young gets it out after dwelling for a moment.
Tremendous save from Neville there. Needed that one as well, desperately. But it just shows that the Romanian team's not spent as an attacking force.
8 minutes remaining. Wales 1, Romania 1. Only one side on the pitch needs the victory. Dumitrescu rides the challenge. And here's Raducoiu! It's all over now, surely. Neville Southall looks back in despair, and the top scorer for Romania in this qualifying group has put his side back in front with his 9th goal.
Well, as we said, you know, it's a pity, but they always look sharp on the break, and with Wales pushing forward, trying to get that goal, they will leave themselves open. And you can't afford to do that against quality players. They'll finish you off eventually. They've missed one or two as it happens.
Deep into stoppage time, and here is Eric Young. Free kick. And the referee says that's enough. Prunia is on the deck, but Wales collectively are flattened. They haven't made it. Once again, they've been beaten at the last gasp. Romania, victors by 2-1, go to the World Cup finals. The fates did not come right for Terry Yorath and his men, and one can only feel for them. Terry, it's not an unfamiliar story, so near and yet so far.
Yeah, we're still a nearly men. I'm afraid that's a tag we're going to have again. But I felt that we did well enough in the second half to maybe snatch a win. They had chances during the game. Unfortunately, we made 2 errors and they both counted.
The goal, I mean, a world-class goalkeeper just has to put his hands up, doesn't he?
Well, he's already put his hands up. He put his hands up at half-time, you know. I think for some of the time he saved us, we have to be thankful for him. He's brave enough and big enough to hold his hands up and say he made a mistake, and that's the way it goes in football, I'm afraid.
And it came at a time when you were actually settling to your game.
Yeah, we were. You know, I felt that we'd probably done enough to just hold them. You know, Haji was having shots from outside the box, other people were shooting from outside the box, and they weren't really getting behind us, which was fine. You know, I felt Andrew Melville was having an outstanding game as sweeper, and we were coping. And then the mistake happens. We fought well in the second half, did quite well, got the equaliser, and then we have the penalty, and you know, we shot ourselves again.